What's up my people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Chef Fix. Assalamu alaikum guys. I thought my pot is hot, but not yet. So today we are making zucchini. I call them mini pumpkins. In my pot I added my oil and I added some cumin, and this is garlic. I'm gonna saute this together for some seconds and allow them to cook, Then I'm adding my chopped onions. Yes, my chopped onions. Who doesn't like onions on their food? In their food, I mean. This English is not my language, but we're gonna try. Then I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. Yeah, guys, this is very simple. This is very easy peasy, like 1 2 3. So after I allow the tomatoes to cook till tender, I'm gonna add my spices. I have cumin powder, I have turmeric powder, I have coriander, I have black pepper, and I have garam masala. You can use whatever spices that you have in your kitchen that suits your taste, okay? And right now I'm mixing them together, guys. I feel like zucchini are very delicious. Then I'm adding my chopped zucchini. You can chop it slice them or cubes, however you want them. And now I'm adding my water and a little bit of tomato paste. Mix them together and I'm going to allow this to cook until they're tender. I like to add salt at the end after I've added the spices, because some spices are salty, so I like to add my salt at the end, and then I'm covering it and allow it to cook. Look at that, guys. This is cooked and it is so delicious. Like, I love zucchini. I cooked at least once or twice in a week. Then I'm adding my cream. So guys, and allow it to cook for a minute or so. Add salt if it's not okay. If it's not enough, then serve with your preferred food. I'm gonna finish garnishing with some coriander leaves, fresh coriander. And here we have our curry zucchini. You look at that, guys. This is so delicious. Tell me what you think about this and write in your comment section what you think. Look at that, guys. This smells so nice. It is very delicious, and trust me, you're gonna like this. Tell me if you're gonna try this. Tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna serve this with some rice, and enjoy it. Look at that, guys. This is so delicious, so delicious. Try it and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.